Hello everyone, I'm Nomad here. This is an introduction video to my channel. I'm going to be doing lots of outdoor stuff, fishing stuff. Right now I'm here in my garden. Go ahead and run a little tour. This is a brand new setup this year compared to what I had last year. I built myself this really cool kind of live edge trellis. I'm still working on it. My tools died, so I had to charge my batteries. But my goal is to trellis up from these skinny long branches here to each row of beds, and these are going to be my San Marzano tomato beds. And I want to try to really make use of vertical growing this year and go all the way up as high as I can go here on both sides. So I've got 2 rows of trellising. This one's a little wonky, but I had to make do with what I had. It's all free stuff I used, so it barely cost me anything. That's the best part about this. But trellis down here on the edges, on all these poles, I want to grow maybe cucumbers or something, some kind of vining plants to go all the way up here. I can hang like strawberries. I got some strawberries over here. I've been thinking about putting in some hanging pots, hang them all along the side there. I've got my herb beds, got random tools and stuff in them right now. I've had my thyme that survived the winter. Oh, it smells so amazing. Got some little green onion leeks, just chilling. Also survived the winter. I had a lot more of them, but they didn't all survive. But I've got tons and tons of herbs to go in here for cooking and teas and all that. Very, very excited this year. Behind me, I just set up, I wish I would have filmed it. I just set up my onion bed. I've got white blocks in here and red rogues. And I did about 6 rows kind of going across here, each kind. So that's, I'm so excited. That's gonna be really, really nice. It's kind of a mess right now. I've got stuff everywhere, but I'm going to be interplanting stuff all along the sides as much as I can. I'm going to try to leave the walkways alone, mulch them, and then like all along the sides here if I can. And then over here, I could either do another raised bed of sorts, which would be a pretty cool idea. Maybe I can do a pepper bed or something. And I'll have like kind of random just kind of splotches of flowers. I have lots of like borage and really like high growing flowers and stuff. I can kind of interplant in the walkway here, which would be really cool. And then obviously over here I can do some sort of small bed or these planters I have, or even stuff. The ground's really rough right here, so I might do a bed over here and stuff in ground over here. I think that's the play. Got some compost garden soil over there. Pretty good quality. Better than what I had last year, I think. It at least feels better. Got my own little dandelion chilling in here. Yeah, I've got lots of stuff planned. Got these tomato clips. I'm gonna try these out this year. I've heard good things. Last year I did like 4 to weave, and I didn't trellis it right, and it ended up like suffocating some of the branches and breaking them off. I'd like to avoid that this year. Got some beautiful stuff over here I picked up last night when I went fishing with my brother. Got some lemon basil, a poblano, which I think I have 1 or 2 seedlings that did actually germinate and survive, but I got another one just in case. Some beautiful zinnias. I've never really had zinnias before. I tried starting seeds and they didn't really take. And then I've got like probably 10 or 12 different kinds of marigolds this year. I am a huge marigold person. My main crop is tomatoes, so you already know I gotta interplant. Oh, these smell so good right now. And then I've got some cool herbs back here. I've got some parsley. I don't have any parsley yet this year, so that was a good pickup. Then I got some stevia for tea, which I read up on this before I got it, and it looks like it's a very, very beneficial plant, so I'm excited for that. And some beautiful Albion strawberries. I think I have 1 more that survived the winter last year over there in pots. But yeah, that's my little garden. And I look forward to the adventures I'm going to have this year. We're going to be doing lots and lots of fishing. I will update you guys on further plantings. This is the introduction video. Thank you. And hope you guys have a nice day.